overall, there's a lot of things you can do this time of year. Most people say, well, I really don't like walking in the corn. Well, we've got new tools now. We've got drones, and Pioneer has one of the largest fleets of drones. We use it for our research. We use it for observations of plots and learning about products, and we use it to help our customers learn about their specific fields. We can get plant health information back. We can also do stand counts early in the season, which might help you decide on a replant scenario. But nevertheless, one of the things we do this time of year is both look at drone imagery for plant health, as well as we can use Encirca Pro app, and we can go into those fields and look at satellite imagery, because those satellites are going through every day or every couple of days, and we can see what plant health changes they're doing. So if you have some questions about that, talk to your Pioneer sales rep about that. So got drones, we got satellite imagery. So with that, I hope the rest of your growing season goes well, and be sure to take some time to go out, take a look at your fields, make sure they're pollinated, make sure things are well on their way into reproduction.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.